Hey everybody, Dr. Anis Khalif here. Welcome to the short video and content review page. We created this event to help you take your business to a whole nother level. During our call, we bring in the top creators to help you gain an understanding of the hottest trends for your topic, developing a strong foundation for how users engage with each other, and personally review your best and most challenging short videos and content. After registering, you will get access to our expert short video and content review guide for free. Find links to all of the past calls, virtual and in-person events, and an opportunity to join our mastermind network of world-class creators. Our team of experts works hard to develop tailored short video and content events fit just for you. My goal is that after our call, you'll walk away knowing what the most popular trends are right now and how your persona can have an impact on your followers, how the most popular algorithms can work for you, show you how you can use a green screen and other cool tools to create amazing backgrounds, and how to create engaging and thought-provoking texts in your short videos and content. Now, if you're a person who wants to have a greater impact on other people's lives, if you want to get control of the problems that have been keeping you from spreading your mission, you want to surround yourself with a community that will elevate your personal growth and overall well-being, then this is the community for you. I have found over the years, as I have gained hundreds of thousands of followers on our verified account, built virtualtcm.com and other programs, there is a formula on how to achieve optimal success, whether it is an increase in your followers, converting your current followers, or clarity of mind to retain and improve the lives of those who you already have touched. There is a formula on how to find the right customers, how to engage your current followers, and even achieve a proper work-life balance. So if you're dreaming and saying, you know what, I want to serve more people, I want to become an expert and have a greater influence in my industry, and I want to have a bigger impact on my community and those around me because I'm tired of my social media accounts slowing me down, then make sure to sign up to participate in this event. By the way, spaces are limited. This is an intimate group of world changers. You're going to get to meet me, and our experts are going to help you attract, engage, and delight your ideal followers that fuel your excitement and creativity to continuously create entertaining short videos and inspiring content. Hey, make sure to sign up before the call is full. I can't wait to see you at our next short video and content review.